Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat in Valorant not working. So first of all, you're going to have to come below at the search bar, type in control panel and then open it. Once you do so, select sound, double click onto it. In here select recordings and select microphone. Right click onto microphone, select properties. Under device usage, make sure this use this device enable is selected instead of disable. Then once done, select OK. For the next step, you're going to have to come below at the search bar again, type in Device Manager, and launch a Device Manager. From the above section, you will see audio inputs and outputs. Expanded, you will see speakers or your Realtek audio. Right-click onto it, then simply select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Once done, close this. Now you're going to have to restart your device, and once done, you may go ahead, use your Valorant voice chat, and it will fix your problem.